We were joined by Stuart on the second day of our Sib and Rib trip to Scotland, which means that there's now 4 of us. The plan was to leave Lismore Marina, travel down the west side of Lismore, around Lismore Lighthouse, and then on towards Loch Etive. The return journey would be back down Loch Etive, down towards Kerrera, calling in a Kerrera marina for lunch, across to Oban, and then up along the east side of Lismore, back towards Lismore Marina. A journey of approximately 60 nautical miles. The day started off grey and overcast, and the sea state was pretty smooth, but that was soon to change. From a distance and at first glance, Castle Doel-Fin just looks like an outcrop of rocks, but it is a ruined castle. Getting down towards the bottom end of Lismore is Auchinleck Castle, which I think looks very impressive from the sea. There was no tide race as such around Lismore Lighthouse, but you could certainly feel the strong pull of the currents in each direction. It was very calm under the Connell Bridge, as it was slack water. travelled up Loch Etive about a mile or so after Tenolt before we decided to turn around. The tide had turned and the wind had picked up, which made for a little bit of a bumpy ride back under the Connell Bridge. We stopped off at Kerrera Marina for lunch, which I can highly recommend. We had a quick trip to Oban to drop off some people who we'd met on Kerrera. We then made our way back over towards Lismore. It was good to be in the relatively sheltered, calm waters on the east side of Lismore. We'd done 60 nautical miles, feeling knackered, but boy, what a great day.